Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add function keys on Mac. For that, first of all, you have to go to the Apple icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. Then, from the drop down, choose System Preferences. Once your System Preferences is opened, there you will see Keyboard option, click on it. From here, you can change all of the settings of your keyboard. Make sure that you are under keyboard option, and there you can see use F1, F2, etc. keys as standard function keys. You just have to enable this option. Simply click on this button and then you have successfully added function keys on your Mac. There is also the second way to do so. You can simply press and hold the F1 key which is on the bottom left corner of your keyboard while pressing F1 and F2. In this way, you can easily add function keys on Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.